Hi guys, it's Cassie and today I have a luxury haul which features Hermès, a new New York designer. I actually don't know if she's new. I'm not going to make that claim. A New York designer that's new to me, and also something that I picked up in a recent shopping vlog. All of the links, as usual, will be below. I'm excited to go through these with you because a little bit unexpected, a little bit interesting. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. Before we jump into the haul, I see you checking out my new ear party going on here. Oh, what's that? This brings me to today's video sponsor, IDYL. Let me tell you, I've been blown away with the entire IDYL experience, okay? From the packaging to the concept of the brand and the quality of the items. I'm going to go through it. So IDYL is a sustainable luxury fine jewellery brand. Everything is solid gold and lab-grown diamonds. And they focus on modularity. What is that? Let me elaborate. I'm going to focus on earrings in today's video, but they do also have necklace options as well. So you go ahead and you pick your base, right? Which are these beautiful diamond studs. They come in 3 sizes and also 3 different golds. So you can do white gold, yellow gold, rose, right? I've gone for yellow gold for mine. These ones are the bigger size, and I believe this one here is the medium. Now, once you have the studs, you've then got a choice of all of these fabulous add-ons that you can buy to change up the vibe, okay? And what do we love on this channel? We love versatility. As you can see with my second hole here, I've got the Lucia, which is leaving this fabulous little trail of beautiful diamonds around the ear. I live for this vibe, truly. But let's say we want to change it up from the studs. Here I have the Joan add-on, and as you can see, she's got these glorious little dangling twin diamonds. There's 3 sets of twins there. Do we see them? Oh my gosh, absolutely stunning, right? You know I love a dangly. You know I love a dangly. Look at them dancing. Absolutely fantastic. Maybe you're having your hair up. You want to have a little bit of a little bit of intrigue around your jewellery over here, right? Now, another thing that I am loving about IDYL is the fact that you can buy these pieces as pairs or as individuals, okay? So for those of us who maybe have asymmetric piercings, or for whatever reason, maybe you want to change it up, okay? Maybe you don't want to have the same setup on each ear. That is absolutely fabulous as well. You have the option. Oh, these are just casual chic, aren't they? Okay, so these are the Romies, and they kind of have like this almost like, should we say half a hoop? And because this is fine jewellery and it's diamonds, right? You can wear this to sleep, to shower, to work out, whatever. I am somebody who, like, all of my bracelets and my earrings and whatever, I can't be bothered to switch it in and out when I'm having a shower or when I'm sleeping or whatever, so it stays on the whole time. So something that's going to keep up with me and my little bit of laziness, I fully approve of. The great thing about the modularity as well is that you don't have to buy a whole new set of earrings, right? You've got the studs, you can add on all of these bits and bobs. Do you want to know what? I'm feeling a different vibe. She's feeling like a different woman. Guess what? Get you a new set of add-ons. You don't have to buy a full new pair of earrings again. The other thing is that as well, these are a really accessible price point for fine jewellery and for diamonds. My link is in the description box. Go have a look. I promise you, you will not be disappointed because I was really, really blown away. Thank you so much to IDYL for sponsoring. I'm going to keep this setup on for the rest of the day, I think. Stop. Prepare to be seeing this a hell of a lot in videos going forward. Okay, so where do I start off with? Okay, you know what? I'm going to start off with this New York designer that I stumbled across. I was scrolling on the Saks website and I came across this brand. I came across this very specific piece and I was like, yes. Yeah, add to cart, okay? So it also comes in this like cute little bat. I'm a sucker for packaging, okay? And it's got a fun little bat. It is the, what's its real name? Crystal collared pullover top, right? The brand is Vesper, and I believe that she uses new vintage and dead stock materials for her pieces. Very fun, very different, and this is what really pulled me in, because this is very much a style I would go for. The crystals Are you seeing them? Just a little bit of something, you know, I'm a blue girl at heart. What? So this is like a plissé material, so it's like tiny, 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 tiny little folds, essentially. And it's got like a really great fleck of silver in there. It's very fun. It is hot here. Okay, I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready for the New York heat, right? And so something like this, which is super light, I'm going to put like a bralette on underneath. If you want titties to fly free, do it. One thing that I was worried about when it arrived, I was like, is it going to be scratchy? Okay, because material that looks like this can tend to be a little bit scratchy on the skin. I assure you it's not. I was very, very impressed. It's very soft, super light, and it's just going to look really unexpected and fun. Very relaxed fit. It's actually a unisex piece. It's going to look great with denim. So when things start to cool down a bit with a pair of jeans, or even with jean shorts now, you know, it's just going to pop fabulously. I got this in a size small, I believe, yes. And it was just something different and fun that I hadn't seen before. She also does a matching skirt. And again, is this a style that I would have previously gone for? But do you want to know what? I'm embracing New York style Cassie. Okay, she's trying things a little bit outside her comfort zone, and I appreciate that. So I got this in a size medium. Again, I was worried that it was going to come and it wasn't going to be lined. Rest assured, my dignity is intact. It's this really interesting, again, I liked it because it matched, and actually, when I was on Mia Vesper's website, I saw them paired together and I was like, it's a look. It's a look. Those with my off-white sneakers. She's, you know, parading around town living her best life, but also this with a white bodysuit. Like, it's, again, very light, very easy to wear. The lining itself is stretchy, which is nice, because I don't like it when something is lined, and I'm not going to lie to you, I have a dress where the lining was not stretchy. The lining has ripped. Okay, I'm just going to own it. It's the truth. So I thought, let's match, let's do it. They're going to look cute separately. They're going to look even cuter together. I just looked at myself in the mirror and this came out exactly the way I planned. And that doesn't happen as often as it should. Is this not so cute? I feel like a little ethereal fairy. I love these two together. Again, this is going to look cute separate with a white bodysuit, with a shirt. I could do this with my off-white sodding sneakers for a different vibe. She's casual, she's running around town, but she's still serving a look. She's about to steal your man. I mean, come on. What a cute, it's also very comfy. Oh my gosh, you could do yoga in this. Don't, but you could if you needed to. These also come in 2 other colourways, I believe, one of which is called Swamp. And that just made me laugh. The next item is one that I tried on, oh, that's a bit creased, isn't it? One that I tried on in a recent shopping vlog. And I have really been trying to find a good pair of black summer shorts. I actually ordered a pair of Carolina Herrera shorts that came and looked absolutely nothing like the picture on the website. I was grossly disappointed. But as you know, I tried on these Helmut Lang shorts and she looks great. She looks really great, all right? I like the fact that they're sort of tailored. They've got these little, I believe that this is a dart. I believe so. Darts across the front and the elasticated waistband. So you can make her casual, you can dress her up. I love it. This is going to be my new like go-to pair of shorts. Be ready to be tired of them. I've been looking for something like this for a while, and Helmut Lang is very underrated, especially for, you know, there's nothing that doesn't tend to be anything too crazily statementy, but for like really good basics that you can pair with other things or that are very versatile, I think he does a great job at. I love it. I love it. Okay, look at the shorts just peeking out, just a peek there. What a look. What a sodding look. And she's brought out the Gucci stripper heels. This is my happy dance when an outfit comes together the way that it was intended to. Yes. Kill it. I'm obsessed. Now let's move on to things that come in an orange bag. So, the first item, how do I not already own this? Obviously we've moved into a new place, and I thought, it's Hermès blanket time. Which one do we sodding go for? So I ended up choosing, I wanted a darker colour because I don't know about you, but my boyfriend can't be trusted with anything that is a light colour. I'm actually surprised that our white sofa hasn't already had a Tide pen on it as I tried to erase some stains. But so far so good, and I think that I've now jinxed it, and maybe I might have to deal with that later this week. But anyway, I needed a darker colour, but also something that, you know, I was going to have forever. I ended up going for this one, and I actually didn't know much about this style. So this style, hold on, is the Avalon 3. So it's got 3 colours going on. We've got the black, the sort of, it is white, Cassie, it's not sort of, and this sort of, I don't know what that is. It's almost like a browny grey. But the thing about this design is that it only has the H's in the corners, okay? The middle of it is just the check, whatever, that. It's just squares, right? Now, they do other designs where there's lots of H's on it, but I just kind of liked the simplicity of this. I liked the tritone. I was here for the vibes. The other thing is that I remember one year, this must have been maybe like 3 or 4 years ago, I saw a woman walking in London and she was wearing this as like a sodding cape in the winter. And honestly, I mean, get it, queen. Look, it's been 4 years and I still think about that moment. She was literally just like draped across her shoulders, swanning around Bond Street, looking like an absolute queen. And I was like, pray tell, why have I never thought of this? I'm obsessed with that. What a fantastic idea. So there's that, and I really enjoy this. I believe it's 10% cashmere, 90% merino wool. Very soft, whatever. You know, this isn't the first time you've seen an Hermès blanket. I'm sure it's not the most exciting thing in the world, but I am very, is it merino? Yes, I was right. Made in Great Britain. Look at us. Anyway, so that was that. Finally checked off the sort of forever wish list. Get an Hermès blanket. Sodding done. Okay, the next item. It's not a bag, right? Do you honestly think if I'd gotten an Hermès bag, I would put it in a haul with other things? No. She's getting a dedicated video, my love. But anyway, so, haven't opened this. My SA texted me these, and I was like, madam, you know me. You know me too well. So, let's open this up together. I'd spoken about these last year when they first was it last year when they first came out? And I had been umming and ahhing over getting them. However, there were some issues with these because the dye that they used for them was coming off onto people's skin. Loads of people were returning them. They were taking them back, blah, blah, blah. However, they've now been sorted out. There is no more dye transfer. Claps all around, right? But is that a beautiful mint? Is that a pistachio maybe? Actually no, because it's called Verdot, water green water, something like that. Green water. Don't think that's a good. I wonder which way it is, because if it's green water, that's not a lake you want to be swimming in. But these are the wool Teddy Aran sandals, okay? I actually got these in half a size bigger. Was it because they didn't have my size and they only had half a size bigger, but they also did fit and look good? Yes. You know, I mean, I'm sat in these. Don't look too closely at them. These have had an absolute hammering for what, 2 or 3 years now? I love these, my little shearling house slippers. And while I don't think these will be my house slippers, I see these as if I'm doing errands or like I'm staying local, or if I am not going to be walking very much and I just want to feel cozy, then let's go with the Teddy Arans. Of course you know that the colour also reeled me in. How can it be helped, right? I do love these. So I went for these in a 39.5, and because I went for these, my mum also decided to get some in the UK as well, because we enable each other that way. Even, do you want to know what? Even if you were like on holiday, sort of by the pool, you don't want to put your wet feet into these, but you know what I mean? Just like a she's by the pool, but she's actually not going to get anywhere near the pool situation. You know the vibes. There you go, guys. Don't forget to check out IDYL in the description box. Click on my link, have a look, get yourself a little bit of DDF, Daily Diamond Flex. Let me know what you thought of the items that I got in this haul. I'm going to leave a link to another video over here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. And in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.